Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to review a new LED garage light. 6000 lumen Gara LED is the brand. Just got it off Amazon today. We'll unbox that in a second. First we're going to have to make some room. We'll move the truck here and then I'll plug it into one of these lights and I'll show you a good before and after. So let's check it out. Well, we got the carburetor plug in the same box, so we'll check that out later. All right, here we go. $60 watt. We don't have the motion detection. I didn't want that, I'd rather have it on the switch. Regular voltage. And 6000K, so it should be pretty close to white. Instructions, sure I can figure it out. Actually, it's a pretty solid. I expected it to be a little flimsier. All adjustable, you get all the right angles. Protective cap there for the threads, but a lot more durable in person. I'm actually pretty impressed. It's solid. This isn't cheap grade plastic. It's pretty good. Okay, so let's have a look and install. Right, we got 3 lights in frame. We got that one, that one, and that one. I'll change the middle one in the back and we'll see what kind of effect we have. Need to have a nice bright garage. We have 6 months of winter here in Canada, at least it seems like it, so most of my hobby time is spent in here. I will replace all 6, I think. So far I'm really loving how bright the new light is. If you like the video, please hit like. Also subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.